Sioux City is an important market for road machinery, not only because it helps us as the gateway to the western part of Iowa, but also we have a number of brands that we represent in Nebraska, in South Dakota, that we can service out of this location. It is the collection point for 3 important states. This facility is going to be a substantial upgrade from what we have had in the past, and so our ability to take care of customers is significantly enhanced.
Well, look, we love investments by companies like RMS, so when we get one like this, we want to make sure it works for them, and we want to make sure we get it going quickly for them. And we've had some challenges, but they were willing to hang with us and work through them, and we appreciate that.
So this will be a 12,000 square foot building. It'll have tall ceilings, it'll have good crane capacity. It'll allow us to work on the vast majority of products that we sell and support, and to do complete machine rebuilds in this site. So we're excited for that.